Hello to all of our friends. Good morning. We got some snow overnight, and we got more in our forecast coming for Saturday. The birds are out and about this morning, and the crows are up there. They've been waiting for me to bring some goodies outside for them. They love to gather the goodies, and they're going back and forth here. I saw some birds over here flying over. The sky's got that pinkish look to it after the snowfall. We've been having some awesome nature this winter so far. It's been mild so far with not much snow, but there's definitely that feeling that more is coming. And I love getting out here in the nature. That's our pine tree over there. There's been some pine sap coming from the tree. I like to collect that, and I make scented candle wax with the pine sap. It's a really strong scent. I love it. Over here is the bird sanctuary. Got the birds coming out over here. We've been seeing some blue jays, red cardinals, winter birds. It's a bit windy this morning. I'll take you over to the sunrise sky. They're saying 3 to 5 inches of snow next Saturday. It's the sunrise sky over here. This is where I take most of my nature pictures of the birds. Get very active out here. Been seeing a lot of more squirrels also. Alright. There's been more crows. I see a hawk right here. I want to try to zoom in on that hawk. There he is. Where is he? I just saw a hawk. There he is over there. He's soaring around. Right over there. There he is. And there's the crows. Beautiful early morning. Snow falling off the tree branches. There's another gathering of crows up there. They soar all around here. They sometimes come right into our yard. Love getting out here in nature, taking pictures, making videos. You can see the sky over there is glowing orange. That's where the sun's rising up more and more. The winter sun. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite spots right here. You see the birds coming around, and they soar all throughout these trees, and love to get some pictures, great views of them. I look forward to making some more videos soon. It's really awesome. I'm gonna come out here later on today too, and check out. There's some more birds over there soaring around. There's groups of birds just gliding with the wind today. That's amazing. It's a good view right here. There's some more birds soaring up in those trees. Some crows nearby. Fresh snowfall. Winter sunrise. Thanks for joining me on my adventures. I look forward to sharing many more. Happy nature smiles and greetings from the wintry Connecticut.